Good morning, and thank you for joining us today as we celebrate a 10th year of National Public Health Week. This marks our 10th year, and we actually celebrated our first Public Health Week right here on this plaza with a kickoff walk right up Main Street for about a mile. Public Health Week allows for us to acknowledge the contribution and the work of our public health workforce across the United States, and it's very important for us here in Nashua, New Hampshire, to celebrate this week with our first and only accredited health department in the state of New Hampshire. Public Health Week is a time that we acknowledge our contributions to public health and service to our community and highlight all of our important improvements in health in our nation and here locally in Nashua. I personally want to take this time to extend my thanks and my gratitude to our Division of Public Health and Community Services as our unsung heroes during the pandemic year and your continual work and efforts throughout. Public health has been pushed to the front lines of response over the past year and has truly allowed for us to step into the role of Chief Public Health Strategist in the city of Nashua and in the greater Nashua region. We've worked tirelessly with our partners, with our mayor, with our Board of Health, and with our community to help protect, preserve, and promote the health of our public. And it is truly my honor to stand before you this morning during this ceremony to recognize our staff and to show you our appreciation and to say thank you, thank you, thank you for all that you've done all throughout the year. Your commitment and dedication to this community and the greater Nashua region this past year has exceeded all expectations in public health work. Thank you for your long hours, for your tireless efforts in planning and disease investigation and comforting families and being a support to one another throughout this entire year, and answering hard questions and fielding difficult conversations and listening to complaints and listening to just heartbreaking stories. But you were there, you've been there, and you continue to be there. So I say thank you. Thank you for being the champions of Nashua and our greater public health region when you were tired, when you were exhausted, when we cried, and we didn't let other people see us cry, but yes, that happened as well. So thank you. This is your time to be recognized. I want to thank the mayor for his leadership throughout this year and his continued leadership for us in public health. And I want to thank the mayor for taking the time today for honor you for your great efforts and for your great work and showing the value and appreciation of our Division of Public Health and Community Services. I am now going to turn it over to our mayor, who is going to do our recognition and our award and achievements for our staff for the great work that you've done. Mayor?
Thank you, Bobby. All right, well, before we begin with the awards, I wanted to say that this has been a very special year for public health, and I think everyone has recognized the importance of public health to the community. I mean, obviously during this pandemic. Without you, the city would not be in the same position we are, and I'm sure we'd have many more cases and a lot more suffering without your efforts. But as Bobby pointed out, throughout these many months, you have cared for people, you have tested, you have now delivering vaccines, you've counseled people, you've worked untold number of hours, you've helped with the enforcement of the mask ordinance, and done so many other things during these past 13, 14 months. So I will always remember the importance of all the work that you've done this entire year and everything that you have sacrificed to make our community safer. So we're here today to give out some awards, just a token of our appreciation for everything that you've done. So again, as Bobby said, thank you for everything you've done for the past for the past year. So we do have, we're going to begin with awards now, which are very well deserved. The first award is the Leading by Example Award. So this award acknowledges the staff who have led by example and continue to do so in your day-to-day response in public health. The staff members that are being recognized with this award have demonstrated exemplary efforts in motivating others to perform at their best, and also have led the public health team toward success. These staff members are also have shown that they're able to adapt to changing situations and effectively address challenges while demonstrating the values of the City of Nashua Division of Public Health. These staff members have taken it upon themselves to lead the way during the pandemic with great tact and dependability. Well, I want to thank you for your strong qualities and for being such great role models. So we have these awards. The first goes to Angela Consentino.
Thank you.
Thank you, Angela. The next goes to Ren Bowden. Thank you, Ren.
Thank you very much.
Next, Sylvia Petuck.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And I haven't given the titles, but obviously Angela is the epidemiologist, Ren is the deputy health officer, and Sylvia is the community health worker. We have Robert Ortiz, who is outreach worker. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So next we have the Above and Beyond Awards. These awards recognize staff who have gone above what is expected and who have exceeded the highest standards in fulfilling the mission and vision of public health. These individuals have moved out of their comfort zones. They've made personal sacrifices and surpassed expectations to best meet the needs of our community, and they are key to our success as chief public health strategists. These staff members have shown their dedication in meeting the challenges of the pandemic and our response, and continue to maintain day-to-day public health work. Thank you for your ongoing commitment to protect, promote, and preserve the health of the greater Nashua community. So the first of the Above and Beyond Awards go to Linda L. Luconis, Environmental Health Officer. She's not here. Nicole Shute, who is our Health Promotion and Communications Specialist. Jane Goodman, Public Health Strategist. Kim Bernard, Chief Public Health Nurse. Kim's not here. She's not here. Flavia Martin, Public Health Nurse.
Thank you.
Thanks, Flavia. Jennifer Swabowitz, Public Health Nurse. Tricia Glastetter, Public Health Nurse again. Thank you, Tricia. Thank you. Sasha Potska, Public Health Nurse. Jocelyn Bork, not here. Heidi Peak Kukula.
Thank you.
Irada Munoz. Irada. Case technician. And Joanne Perez, case technician. Thank you. The next is the Making a Difference Award. This award acknowledges the staff who have contributed to our public health efforts during these unprecedented times and whose work has made a tremendous impact on the lives of others, including community members, partners, and coworkers. The important contribution of these staff members to public health work has led to improved health and improved health outcomes in the community. These individuals are being recognized for their loyal dedication, unwavering commitment, and contribution towards our mission and vision. Thank you for your amazing efforts and for your dedication to the community and to public health services. And this award goes to Patty Crooker, Public Health Network Services Coordinator. She's not here. Michael Apollo, Public Health EMR Coordinator. Lisa Vasquez. She's here somewhere, isn't she? No? No? Here she is. I thought I saw her, yes.
Maybe I can get away with it.
Thank you. Fokia Ijaz. Abhimana Anjira. Nelly Gachochu. Sarah Syed. Luis Porres. Bob Mack. April Torhan. Michael McGinnis. Tim Poitras. Sandra DeLosa. Yvette Brito. And Mike Amichetti.
Jessica Ayala.
And Jessica Ayala. Thank you, Jessica. All right, now we have some other awards here. This comes from the mayor's office and is presented to the city of Nashua. Excuse me. It's presented to the City of Nashua Public Health and Community Services Division as a whole from the mayor's office in recognition of the department's outstanding achievements and impressive response during the COVID-19 pandemic. So I will give that to Bobby. There you go.
So on behalf of the division, I accept our plaque from the mayor's office. Woohoo!
Now the next one is to the Board of Health in the recognition of your outstanding support and guidance during the pandemic. Here's this. I don't think there's anyone from the Board of Health here, but we'll give that to them.
On behalf of the Board of Health, our health officer accepts this.
Next is the Excellence Award for Bobby Bagley. We know her position very well. In grateful appreciation and distinguished recognition of your hard work, your dedication, and your commitment to excellence as you continue to lead public health, the City of Nashua, and the greater Nashua region during the COVID-19 response. So here you go, Bobby.
Thank you. On behalf of the Division of Public Health.
Now there's one more thing here. We did get, excuse me, a letter from Southern New Hampshire Health. And I'll read it to you. We are writing to express our immense gratitude for the staff at the Division of Public Health and Community Services during Public Health Staff Appreciation Day. During this unprecedented year, which has been focused on COVID-19, the staff, led by Director Bobby Bagley, have worked tirelessly to keep our community safe and protect our most vulnerable residents. Not only has the public health team conducted its usual business by completing the 2021 Community Health Needs Assessment, it has also taken the lead in standing up COVID-19 vaccination clinics throughout the inner city for the specialized populations and the organizations that care for those individuals. In late January, when the National Guard was faced with doses of the Pfizer vaccine that would expire before the next scheduled clinic, Director Bagley stayed up until the wee hours of the morning to ensure that every single dose would be utilized during a pop-up clinic at our facility. This level of dedication exemplifies all the community could ask of its public health leadership, and then some. We appreciate the ongoing collaboration between Southern New Hampshire Health and the Division of Public Health and Community Services. Given the added stresses of this past year, we want to take a moment to formally express our appreciation of the public health team. Congratulations on a job well done. Signed by Scott Wolf, the President, and Betsy Hood, the Director of Community Partnerships. So there you go. There you go.
Thank you. All right.
All right.
All right. And as the letter from Southern and from the CEO of the hospital exemplified with leadership and all the efforts and the work that we've done, if we didn't have a strong leader in the position here at the city, it would have been very difficult for us to do our work. And so we do want to recognize the mayor for his contribution and his support of all of the work and the efforts that we've done, because it does take leadership and it takes that motivation and that influence for us to continue to do what we do in our response. So Mayor, we present to the City of Nashua Mayor's Office in recognition of your outstanding leadership to the City of Nashua's COVID-19 response during Public Health Week. And the mayor really did show, I think he's a closet epidemiologist.
Yeah, all right.
We would present data and he would already be coming up with the percentages, and then we'd have to do quick calculations like he's got it, right? And so that type of leadership is what's needed when our city is going through the type of event that we went through with our pandemic. And we know that we will continue to have that leadership as we come through in our response and get to recovery. We've seen the resiliency of our city because of this leadership, and it's been a pleasure to work with you, Mayor.
All right, thank you, Bobby. Now I wanted to recognize one other person. Rick Dowd is on the Board of Aldermen here, right here. You want to add anything?
I just want to congratulate the entire public health staff. They've been amazing. They couldn't have done a better job with the COVID pandemic. And Board of Aldermen really supports everything you do.
So thank you very much. Okay.
right.
All right, that's it, right?
That's it.
All right.
All right. Thank you, everyone, for coming. This is the third day of Public Health Week, so we'll be celebrating the continuation of this week. Public Health Week goes from the 5th through the 11th. Our community partners will be doing events, so check those things out on our website at nationalnh.gov under Division of Public Health and Community Services, and you'll see some of the other things that are happening. But I mean, you guys know I can't say it enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everything.
All right.